Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today, in this video, we'll try to delete the entire contents or the data in a Excel sheet. See here, this is the Excel sheet, and this is a formatted Excel sheet because this is a payslip sort of thing generated here, and there is data other than this table also. And for my testing purpose, I have wrote something in a really unique cell, means this is different from this area. Just for the testing purpose, I have write something here. So this entire data in one click. Actually, in Excel, there are two options. One is the clear contents, another is the delete. I'll tell you the difference between both. Select any of the cell which don't have any data. For example, this or this. Don't select here, okay? Select on completely empty cell and on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus A. Ctrl A, which selects everything A to Z in the Excel sheet. Now I'm pressing Ctrl A. See here, now I have pressed Ctrl A. See, even this data or the even if there is any data below also, that will also get selected. Okay. Now right click on this. As I said, there are two options: clear the contents and the delete option. First, I'll use this clear the contents. Clear the contents will delete the data, but it won't delete this formatting area. See here, this for here the test gets deleted. See, I have wrote something like test. The test gets deleted, but this formatting and everything won't delete it. What you can do again, do now, will this time I am just pressing on Control A, and now this time I'll delete this. Now everything gets deleted except this. These are the images. That's the reason. I need to click on delete option on my keyboard, select this and delete. So in this way, you can actually delete the entire contents or the data or formatting cells on the Excel sheet. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comments. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.